Hey, you all. Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the north. More specifically, we are in Bangor, Maine. And even more specifically than that, we're at the Bangor State Fair. Now, if you've been following the channel over the last several years, I've been trying to accomplish the goal of visiting every state fair. And prior to this, I have visited 12 different state fairs. So this is the 13th fair I'll be visiting. So we'll be able to check Maine off of our list of state fairs that we had to visit. It looks like this is a relatively small state fair. They do have other fairs in different parts of the state of Maine, but this is the only one that has the word state in the name of the fair. So please follow me. Looks like we're gonna start our day out with a little bit of state fair wrestling. Uh-oh, got him. What's he going for? Oh, escaped. To the corner. Oh, missed the stinger splash. Oh, big boot. Oh, coming off the second rope here. Oh, drop kick. Oh, big knee in the face. Oh, bubble bomb. Oh, stole the pin.
It's the Carpetbagger. This guy's the man. Where's my girlfriend? Where's my girlfriend? You're the man.
Oh, thank you. He knew who I was.
I did not know who you were. This big person here. It's like the time I met the German in Venice. It was awesome.
Oh, you met GIV? It's like this guy's theme is that he likes Dunkin' Donuts.
I do. How you all doing over there?
Oh. Oh no. Jeez, look at that gorilla press. Oh, big shoulder block. Oh, what's he going for here? Oh, missed. There we go.
Hold it tight.
Oh no. Accidentally drop kicked his partner. Oh, their finisher here. You all right?
Get him up.
Now the wrestler that recognized me earlier, his girlfriend gave me this flyer saying that as a free movie on YouTube that he is in. It's called America's Most Badass Tournament. I guess you can scan the QR code there to watch it. So very cool. I'm definitely going to be checking this out later. Here comes the circus train here. Some clowns there on the front. It's like a snake charmer. Some animals there. It's there's a blue bunny there on the back. Some inflatable rides here. The big crane and dump truck. And some sort of jungle slide over here. He's walking on Legos. while juggling knives. See his bare feet there. Bare feet there on a Lego brick as he juggles those knives.
He's doing a good job. I get the sense that he's done this before. The hands are really well balanced, so what I'm going to try and do is get down onto my knees and see if I can use my hands behind my back to undo my feet.
There he goes, got it.
There it is! Yes!
There he goes. Looks like they're setting up for a hot wing eating contest here momentarily.
Gentlemen, start your enzymes and go!
Oh, there we go.
All right, let's give him some encouragement.
This guy at the end, he's shredding them.
Eating Maine participants today, all eating Maine wings.
I'm looking at this guy. I think he might have got it. Everyone else is being a little more deliberate. Oh, this other guy here at the end, he's putting some away as well. Is anyone showing signs of
relenting. Oh my goodness. Hey, I'm calling him. Look how he's just slurping that meat off the bone. He's not taking little nibbles. He's getting it all down.
They're in it for the recognition to say, hey, I was first place
All right.
in the State Fair hot wing eating contest. Hey, I was second place.
See any looks of distress there on the faces of the wing eaters. This guy keeps going, rethinking some of his life choices here.
Black shirt on the end. Eat and flush, eat and flush.
Oh my gosh. Nothing can stop. Nothing can stop this man here.
3.5 minutes.
This guy's got, I think, some tears. Got a tear in his eye. Look, my man here, he's not showing any signs of slowing down. Oh my gosh. I think he's gonna crush it.
Let's go, Andrew! He's got his own procedure. He's pulling the meat off the bone first.
I think he's been steadily eating faster than any of the other men up here.
He's going in for a drink. All sitting under air conditioned.
I think you got it, buddy.
They're all burning up from within. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and
Take
counting.
some water there. He's got the last one in his tray. Finishing off the last one in his tray. He's on a second tray. Got a second tray. Oh my gosh. I think everyone else is still on their first tray. Showing a little bit of distress, but that's understandable. So maybe you gonna go for a third tray? No? Okay. Oh my gosh. Guys over here still going. No one is tapped out. Everyone is still chugging ahead. Slow and steady. I don't know, I think
20 seconds.
this doesn't stop.
Go down 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's over.
Oh, there we go. Handing out some milk, some well-deserved milk to the winners.
Is there any question? Sitting on the far end from Criterion Theater is Noah, who ate how many? 136 wings. Did you see that?
Is that real?
Let's have a right hand for Noah. What a great job.
136 wings? You got your good old traveling scrambler there. People about to be scrambled severely. Let's see, I've noticed with different scramblers, the velocity on which it swings people actually varies greatly from each scrambler. So let's see if See if this can, oh, that guy just said, hi, YouTube. I don't know if he knows who I am or just ascertained what I'm doing from watching me. This scrambler, honestly, not going very fast. A fairly mild scrambler. Oh my gosh, the guy that just won the chicken eating contest is on the tilt-a-whirl. What is he thinking? He is a madman. Don't throw up chicken wings. There's El Toro Martinez. It's a mechanical bull there. One is pure red with glowing green eyes, some sort of demonic bull. All right, let's see if my bull riding skills have in any way increased. My ride time. I was in there like at least a minute, I think. The professional bull riders only have to do 8 seconds. Here is the Dragon Wagon. It's a traveling kiddie roller coaster here. There's the Starship starting to spin. There's people pinned to the inside of this particular ride. If you listen very carefully, you can hear them scream. I wonder if the chicken wing guy is gonna go for a ride in here. Here is the Tempest. I've not seen this ride a lot. I think it's a fairly rare carnival ride. Looks like you got kind of a gentle turning there. Feeling that it possibly may become less gentle here in a moment, or maybe I'll just remain gentle. Maybe the Tempest is just a nice, relaxing, twirling, churning ride. Yeah, I think it's a nice little relaxing twirl on a carnival ride. The Arctic Bob's there, of course, Bob, short for Bob Sled. Is it just me or the rides at this particular fair just a little tamer than normal? I've seen these things really get some speed behind them. Okay, there we go. Now things are starting to pick up a little bit. This is the Trabant here. Normally I've seen this ride called the Casino and themed like a roulette wheel. I'm not sure what Trabant means. If you know what Trabant means, leave a comment in the comment section. See him twirl here, and then they should, in theory, lift up off the ground. Yeah, there they go. Lifting up off the ground and rocking around like a roulette wheel. Then the king of the carnival rides, the Zipper there. Yeah. Every time I see a Zipper, I can't believe that I actually got on one of these at the Florida State Fair. One of the most terrifying and nauseating experiences a human can put themselves through. is the Hurricane there. So you have little boats that you soar around in a hurricane. I think the arms shoot out here at some point. Is it gonna do it? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, there it goes. The big wave there. Now normally I do try to get on a few more rides while I'm here at the State Fair. However, I've started a few months ago, I started a new medication. It actually causes some level of nausea. So, you know, just day to day I'm fine, but like getting on like spinning, twirling rides is a little bit more difficult for me these days. I still am fine on, like, you know, obviously dark rides are fine. Roller coasters don't seem to affect that way, but anything that twirls is going to make me pretty nauseous. Alright, the ticket system for the rides is kind of complicated. So you get 33 tickets for $5, but apparently it takes like 28 tickets per ride. So you have to do like complex math equations to figure out how many tickets you need. But anyways, let's get a few tickets here. And of course, it is the summer of carousels here on the Carpetbagger channel. We got, of course, a, you know, traveling Carnival style carousel. Horses are a little lighter and easier to transport. And let's see here. Looks like almost all horses there. And we got one zebra. Oh my gosh, that zebra has a saddle on. What kind of a zebra wears a saddle? A zebra is a wild animal, not supposed to wear a saddle. All right, so everything's a horse except for the zebra over here. So I guess we're gonna have to ride the zebra. As strange as a zebra having a saddle is, we'll have to settle for the saddled zebra. And off we go here on the carousel at the Bangor State Fair. Now, I mentioned this the other day, but you can see the right side of a carousel horse is ornately decorated, while the left side is much less decorated because no one ever sees the left side, so it saves money on paint. So I think I've lost count. How many carousels have I been on here on the 2023 Summer of Carousels here on the Carpetbagger channel? I know I've been to 13 different state fairs, but how many carousels have I rode this summer? And how many carousels have I rode in my life? I wonder if anyone knows the answer. So yeah, you can see how ornately painted this side of the zebra is, but when you look on the inside, no such designs. Once you see it, you'll never unsee it. But either way, that'll do, zebra. That'll do. Check out this carousel here. Up on the top, we got various Disney characters, and just look at some of the ride vehicles here. We have the pink chariot from Cinderella. There is a fire truck. We have the double-decker bus that says Disney on it. Disney Tours. We have, oh, you get the Bat Cycle. There's some sort of car with a face there. Yeah, very interesting selection of ride vehicles there. It just says Disney on it. They said they had all the animals down this way. See that wacky waving inflatable tube men there. Have the Marines recruiting over here. They brought along this big inflatable muscular Marine here. Here's the Cross Center. Guess all the animals and agricultural displays are inside here. Okay, this is like an arena in here. down there. On the floor of the arena, they have all the different animals. So we're gonna take the stairs down here to get to the animals. I really do enjoy when sheep wear Hawaiian shirts. It's actually not the first sheep I've seen in a Hawaiian shirt, believe it or not. How are you doing there, buddy? How are you doing there? Your name is Luna. Yeah, you can see these freshly shorn sheep here. Wonder if it feels good when they get all that heavy fur shaved off of them. I bet it feels great. Some cows over here. Are these maybe goats? Sometimes I'm not the best at telling goats and sheep apart, but what are you guys? Why are their ears so tiny? What kind of tiny-eared goats are you guys? Oh no, these sheep over here are gross. I don't think you guys look gross. Here we have Old McDonald's farm, little petting zoo area. There's a milkable cow. I can do this. I learned how at the York State Fair. You don't pull on the nipples, you squeeze. Oh, that nipple sprung a leak there. This is Wilbert here. Oh, how you doing? How you doing there, Wilbert? Oh, hey, buddy. Oh, where you going? It's got an itch. Some little bitty guinea pigs back there, and a big chunky rabbit. Hey, horse. And over here in this part of the arena, we have the Maine Basketball Hall of Fame. There's some basketball jerseys. There's some golden basketballs there. Some dirty Chuck Taylors that have presumably been in a basketball game. Up here we have a basketball with Maine painted on it. That's kind of cool to have a table there made out of an old basketball hoop. But of course, to be a state fair, you gotta sell hot tubs. This is what, Sand Dollar Spa and Pool. I'm not sure if this is part of the state fair or if they just have a permanent advertisement for hot tubs here in the arena. All right, we have another eating competition here. There's gonna be a ice cream eating competition. Oh, look at there, they got the tubs of ice cream. Yes, they had the hot wing contest earlier. This gives people a chance to cool off and eat something a little more refreshing and cool. But yeah, I don't know how much ice cream someone can gorge on. Okay, saying the first person to eat one of those tubs of ice cream is the winner.
Start your enzymes and go!
All right, there you go. Digging in to the ice cream there. Oh man, yeah, ice cream is cold. I imagine like it hurts your teeth. It's very thick. Oh my gosh. Let's see who seems to be gorging the best. Well, this guy here in the blue, he's really shoveling it in. Oh, I'm keeping on him. I think he may have a chance. He seems to be gorging faster than everyone else here. Look at that.
All right, how are we doing now on time? Slow on this end down.
Oh yeah, he's almost eating the ice cream like a snake, like just swallowing it like whole, just shoving it into his mouth and letting it slide down his throat. Yeah, I don't know if anyone Everyone else just seems to be, you know, scooping little bits of ice cream and eating them. It's just hard. It's hard eating a lot of ice cream because it's cold, it's thick, but yeah, I think this guy here, has got it. Oh my gosh. It's like he's got almost his whole head in the ice cream carton. Oh man, that would probably give me a tummy ache. Got some people. Everyone's putting in an effort, but oh my gosh, trying to rip the ice cream container. He can't get it out of the container fast enough and get it into his own mouth. Oh my gosh.
That man has style, doesn't he? Let's give him some encouragement. He's really good. It's a good thing somebody went to show us.
Has he got it? Is it empty?
First place right there.
Woo! That is some.
Number 2 and number 3 some encouragement. Come on, we're fighting.
There's some serious ice cream eating that just occurred there.
Eat plus. Looking good.
All right, so people gathering back around the wrestling ring. They're going to be having another event. They're going to be defending the fair championship. They have a championship that is only defended at fairs.
I came out here for one thing and one thing only, and that's a real challenge. But when I look out in this audience, I see nothing but losers, fat women, and hillbillies.
That's not very nice. Says that all the audience is losers, fat women, and hillbillies.
So here's what I'm gonna do. If there's anyone who thinks they're tough enough to get in the ring with me, bring it on! Come on, you want a shot?
Oh, he's gonna wrestle. He's gonna wrestle some of these kids. They're brawling into the crowd here. Oh, jeez! Oh, gosh. Oh no, the doomsday device. Oh no! There he is, the King of the Fair champion. Look at that, he's chugging Mountain Dew before the match. There we go. Cousin Larry, the King of the Fair champion.
King of the Fair, baby! You won it!
Kind of his go-to there. Oh no, cheating, come on. Camel clutch. Oh, the big sit. Got him.
And your winner, the Scuffling Hillbilly Carousel.
Now here at the grandstand tonight, they're having something that I've never personally witnessed. They're having a demolition derby. So we're gonna try to find some good seats for the derby. All right, see if we can find some decent seats here in the middle of the grandstand so we can see all the carnage that happens below. Like I've said, I've never seen an official demolition derby before. I saw something similar in at the Arizona State Fair. They had figure 8 racing where they raced the cars in a figure 8 pattern, some old junky cars in a figure 8 pattern until someone ran into someone. But I don't think I've been at an official demolition derby, and I don't know all the rules. I guess the goal is to smash into one another until there's no more driving capability left in your vehicle. I do like how post-apocalyptic they all look. Oh, here they go. Okay, so it's basically bumper cars with real cars. Oh my gosh. Oh! Jeez. It's like watching a car wreck. Oh my gosh! Flung him somehow. They're nuts. Oh, they pushed over the barrier. Oh my goodness. Oh jeez. How close those people are. They're dragging each other. Is this safe? Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Oh no! What's happening? Oh, dodged him. Oh no! I think he was already kind of disabled there. Oh no! Came up on the edge there. Oh no! That's crazy! I came down from the bleachers here. I was trying to get a closer look. There's some people standing over there in the grass. All right, here comes the tow truck. Just have to get the defeated cars out of the arena.
Team, please come back to the arena.
Yeah, it does seem like there is a lot of cleanup after a demolition derby.
Hammer down, hammer down, hammer
All right,
down.
here they go.
Oh, here comes the 206
Oh my
into
gosh.
the 77, the 30 into the 77, messing up that beautiful
Car pile up
paint
there.
job. But they don't care.
The
They're here
Snoopy-
to entertain tonight.
Snoopy themed
They're
cars.
here to say, hey, I can
The
be
Red
next
Baron.
Derby star. Here comes the 206 into the 30. Most of these are all best friends out here. Look at how they treat each other.
geez.
Oh, what a slam-a-doodle. What a slam-a-doodle. Oh, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up.
All right, they have to hold on.
He got hit so hard that his helmet came undone and came off.
Oh, someone's helmet came off while they were ramming each other. They have to stop and let him get his helmet secured. For, you know, obviously you want him to be safe.
Six. Here comes the 206. He's chasing.
Oh,
He's putting
jeez.
it over the wall. Look, we got the 6 and the 77 going at it right here.
Oh my gosh!
Going into the 30.
Oh!
Slam-a-doodle.
Just car accident after car
Put
accident.
my head on the Bible.
Insane.
Right there.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, we got the 77 and the 6.
Those noises are sickening.
3 in the 206.
Oh.
We got the 613 into the 302.
Oh!
Get out of that way, you won't be getting nailed on all this. He's trying to pin the 77 against the wall. He gets off. The wall's only slowing you down.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, what a shot with the 6 on the 3.
Oh, they're still all going.
He gets off the wall.
Crazy how much damage they can take. Oh, one of the cars
The
is...
613 into the 3.
Oh,
Jack keeps
gosh.
going up. We got the 3 into the 77. We got the 302. He's trying to get out. He's back.
Oh!
613. He's chasing down over the 3.
Oh, God!
The 3 into the 206.
Oh my God!
thank you for joining me here today at Maine's State Fair, the Bangor State Fair. This is number 13, so we're getting there. We're getting there into making a dent into visiting all the state fairs. I do have some other state fairs in my sights, and it is kind of the beginning of state fair season. State fairs are starting to roll out. Of course, you know, we won't be able to visit them all this year. This is a extended project, but I still got quite a few state fairs that I want to be able to attend this year in 2023. So again, thank you so much for watching. The Demolition Derby was crazy. I'd never seen anything like that. It's, like I said, bumper cars with real cars. Absolutely insane. But thank you for watching. It means the world to me. If you like these videos, please subscribe. I travel around the country to film roadside attractions, amusement parks, museums, haunted houses, and other fun stuff. If you'd like to help contribute to the channel, consider contributing to Patreon. $3 or more will get you a postcard once a month from me to you. Also selling enamel pins in the Etsy shop, as well as doing personalized messages through Cameo. If you're interested in receiving a personalized message from me, the link is in the description, and all that goes to help keep this train on the track, this boat in the water, and this dirigible in the air. Till next time, my friends, this one's in the bag.